So whether you need to jumpstart a 4-cylinder, a 6-cylinder, an 8-cylinder, a diesel, or even a riding lawn tractor, you need a jump starter. I was sent over this jump starter to do a box opening, kind of see what we get, and then test it out. See how well it starts. Fortunately, our 2 vehicles here are good to go. However, the riding tractor in the back needs a little help. First of all, let's get it opened up and see what we have in the box. Comes in a nice carrying case. We see that already. Kind of a rubbery feel, so should offer a little protection in case you accidentally drop it or something. Okay, over on this zipper pocket side here, we have our cables. Positive's a little longer than the negative. That's unique. I haven't seen one like that. This is the 8-AUG wire. Not extremely heavy, but it's heavy enough for most of our needs. And a little user manual here. And we have our jump starter here. Okay, we have 8,250 amps jump starter, 12-volt heavy duty. Over here on the end, underneath this flap, we have a 5-volt USB-C output, a 18-watt USB-C input, and a 5-volt USB-A output port right there. Over on the other side, we have our flashlight, and we have the ports where you plug in your cables. Cables have a square on one and a round on the other plug, so there's only one way to put them in there. Just like so. Have our power on and a force start. So if your battery is way too low to get started, where a lot of your jumpers will not jump start the car because the battery's too low, you can force it and it will go ahead and feed it a little bit of juice, just enough to get it going so the jumper will work correctly. Hope I explained that okay. Can't really see that. Let's go ahead and take this cover off here. It has a film over it. There we go. We are at 91%. Hopefully you can see that. It's kind of dark. And 0 watt because we're not using any of the ports. Okay, you can double click the power button and that'll turn your flashlight on. Double click it again and that'll turn your SOS on. Double click it and it goes to that mode there. Double click it again and it'll go off. Not much to it, pretty basic. I do like that rubber case though, that feels really good. Doesn't feel cheap. Here on the back it gives you your port specifications, what we already went over. So let's go try it out on the lawn tractor and see if it'll get that cranked up. Put it to a test. I like that case, very nice. Deader than a doornail. All right, let's see if we can jump start it here. And to turn this off, you'll just hold the power button in for a moment, and then it'll turn off. Turn it on, all you gotta do is hit it once. Let's give it another go, see if we can get her going. Looks like we're going to get to use our force start. Hold that in. Now we're in the force start mode. It'll give you an indication right there. Short circuit and reverse connection prohibited. Okay, let's see what happens. There we go. It started it up. Tried another jump starter and it would not start it. This one did. Had to switch over to the force mode, but we got her going. You heard it. So whether you're starting a riding mower, a car, or whatever, this will do the job. Don't be stranded in a parking lot with a dead battery when you could simply have one of these in the trunk of your car or under your seat. That's small enough to go under your seat. I highly recommend having one. And this one does a good job. You just saw it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.